What's up, everybody? It's your favorite YouTube plumber back here at Plum Water Plumbing. I'm going to show you something awesome that I'm sure you haven't seen before. Look, you ever seen one of these? You ever had to do this? And you're like, man, I don't know what to do. Well, check it out. First of all, there's supposed to be a green clip in there. But if you ever have to work on one of those and the green clip is gone, let me show you what time it is. Pop that bad boy off and flip it over. You have a secondary clip there that's for a different flush handle style, so watch this. I don't have two hands to hold this, but you can take a small screwdriver and you stick it inside the tabs right there, and you pull that tab down and pull this tab down, and then this whole thing's gonna slide out. There's a spring in here, so don't lose that spring. Let me get it done real quick. All right, so all I did was pushed on the little tabs, pushed it in, and it pulls out, okay? Pull that out. Bring it up here. So you're after the one with the plus sign, if your handle has the plus sign, okay? So you're gonna take this thing, lock it down in there like that. Boing, boing, boing. Push it down. Snap it on, let go. Fixed. See that? Fixed. Now, if you do have the green one and your green one just stays down, it's because the spring is gone. What you can do is you can take it out, take the spring out of the back of a clicky pin, like this. Take that spring out, stick it underneath there and push it back, and bam, it'll lock it in and make it boingy again. And that is how you fix one of those handles. That's kick-ass, and you're welcome. I bet you didn't know that. Keep killing it.